What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is raining here in the beautiful Midwest yet again. But what a perfect time to check out VEVOR's 53-gallon portable barrel. Let's unbox her, let's set it up, and let's review it. So let's get started. Okay guys, what came in the bag? We got 6 of these orange sticks, probably going to be for the sides to hold it up. We got a goodie bag full of fittings and looks like repair kits. So we got the manual right here. Looks like flags of some sort. I don't even know what those are for. Teflon tape, fittings, patch kit just in case you rip it, another hose fitting of some sort for your hose, another fitting, valve shut off. This looks like the feet for it, oil of some sort. That's what comes in the box in this bag. This is going to be the actual barrel. It is made out of like a plastic rubber feel. So you can see how kind of big it is. We're gonna just extend her fully out. I feel like I could go inside this thing. Oh yeah, like a little house in here. There's little kind of pockets that you're going to want to stick in the legs. They're gonna go in from the bottom. There's a little nice cutout right here. I'm assuming you could probably put oil on these. Is that what that's oil's for? Let's try it. That isn't lube, you guys. That is not oil, or this is not oil. This is a glue of some sort. It's probably for your fittings, the glue around your fittings. Thank God I didn't put it on there. I almost put this on there. Let's see if I put a little WD-40 on here. Makes it easier to slide in. There you go. Here's one down, 6 more to go. Here are the feet. There should be 6 of them. This gray one goes up top here, and then you're going to stick this just like this. And then this middle one right here, it is this white valve right here. This one just spins on. Just like so. And same thing with the last valve. It's gonna go on this bottom. This also just screws on. And there you have it. It's ready to fill up with water. Do you want to see, guys, if I can get in this? Could I use this as a cold plunge in the winter? Let's see. I feel like all the water would come out. We should just get a bigger one. It'll work if we got a bigger one. Maybe like 100-gallon. Okay, we're at my downspout on the side of my house. Right here, you could either, to get water in this, splice this and do a Y, and then you can, share the water that goes away from the house and in here, or you can put this directly in here, and when it overflows, you can have an overflow somewhere else. Let's go ahead and just fill this up with water and see what it looks like when we fill it up with water. Just to give you a visual example of what this might look like when it's completely filled up from your downspouts of your house. Let's fill it up. On the outside here, you guys have this fill line, so as this fills up, you should see water rise here. Right here is your water meter gauge. Again, it is going to be the same height as the water inside, showing you how much water you have inside of this barrel, which is roughly 50 gallons. When it's full, it's pretty solid. When this barrel is too full, you do have an overflow right here, so you can hook up a hose here and drain your water somewhere else when this is getting too full. Pretty cool, huh? I didn't even really tape anything, and it's not leaking anywhere, which is actually pretty cool. Everything is holding up really good. Let's get out of here, dude. Well, that's it for today, guys. That was VEVOR's 53-gallon portable barrel. If you guys are interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. Go check out VEVOR at VEVOR.com. But go check them out on Amazon at VEVOR, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.